Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. As we all know, Pokemon Go IV Checker or Pokemon Go IV charts are essential because IVs show Pokemon's potential and strength. In simpler words, IVs are like human genes that determine Pokemon's strength, bulkiness, and stamina. Well, it is so important for gamer, but how can we check Pokemon IV? Here, we will introduce 3 brilliant IV checkers for Pokemon Go trainers. The first one is Genie. Genie is a Pokemon Go IV checker for both iOS and Android. It helps to make a wise investment in significant candy investments. How to use it? The first step is to download it from the Play Store. Then tap on Start Overlay and Star Now. Next, just come in any Pokemon you want to check and click the overlay. Finally, the IV chart will come out. Second is Go IV. Go IV is an open source application that allows you to get IV data from as quickly as possible without cheating. It also runs in parallel with your game without interrupting it. How to check Pokemon IV with Go IV. The first step is search and download it from the Play Store. Then input your trainer info and click Start. Next, allow Go IV to access information on the screen. Finally, you can see IV scan results after you tap the floating action button. The third one is the Appraisal system. The Appraisal system is a built-in Pokemon Go IV checker that calculates the IVs for your Pokemon based on the information available. To use it, just follow the steps below. First, choose the Pokemon you would like to check. Next, tap the menu button and go to Appraise. Now, you can see IV data in the lower left corner. Here we will show you a tip for catching Pokemon without moving with iMyFone AnyTo. iMyFone AnyTo can spoof your GPS location to anywhere in the world, which is beneficial to gain higher IVs in Pokemon. It can be used on multiple platforms like Android and iOS. Alright, this is today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.